Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change language in Amazon application. So firstly open up your Amazon application, then click the three lines icon at the bottom right corner, then scroll down to the very bottom, then you will find a drop down called settings. Just click on that. Over there you will find your country and languages. Just click on that, and from here you can change into any language you want. For example, I will take Telugu. And after selecting that, I will just click the yellow icon. So as you can see, the language has been changed. Now to change it back, I will again go to the three dot icon. Then again I will scroll down to the bottom and settings. Then if you are unable to find the language icon, it will be the fourth column from above. Just click on that, and after that just click on English and then press continue. That's one way of changing language in Amazon application. But there is also another way to change the language in Amazon application, which is much faster compared to this. So for doing that, go to a browser and just search change language in Amazon application. Then just click on the first link in which it is written change language setting in Amazon. Just click on that and it will automatically redirect you to the language page. From there, it's the same process of changing language. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.